Welcome to my channel Brainy the Bright. Today we are solving 12th sheet of prepositions. Let's start. A bee is walking dash the seashore. This is sea. A bee is walking here. It means that along the seashore. Along is correct answer. There is a wolf dash the sheep. Sheep here is plural. Sheep मतलब भेड़. Sheep का singular भी sheep होता है और plural भी sheep होता है. There are more than two sheep, that's why we shall use among. Agar if this is a sentence like this, there is a wolf between two sheep, then we shall use between. For two things we use between, and for more than two things we use among. So here sheep are plural and among will be used. Shaurya is hiding dash the tree. If there are two trees, like Shaurya is hiding between the two trees, if there is sentence like two, for two, we use between, and there are here is tree only. Shaurya is hiding behind the tree. Behind is the correct answer. Our house is dash a big banyan tree. This is a banyan tree and our house is beside. Beside mean उसके साथ में है हमारा घर. Here beside is correct answer. So Soumya is sitting dash her parents in the photograph. Soumya is sitting, parents are mother and father, she is sitting between. For two things we use between, that's why we shall use between here. Please don't park your car dash the gate, in front of the gate. Park गाड़ी को किसी गेट के सामने पार्क मत करो, in front of the. Don't go dash the edge of the cliff. This is edge मतलब पहाड़ की चोटी. Don't go near the edge of the cliff. पहाड़ की चोटी के पास मत जाओ. We are driving dash a tunnel. Like this is tunnel. And we are driving from here and we are coming out. For tunnel we use through. Through is the correct answer. एक तरफ से गए और दूसरी तरफ से अगर हम बाहर निकलते हैं तो we use through. Security guards are standing all dash the road. This is road and security guards are standing here. Along the road. पूरे उसके साथ साथ खड़े हुए हैं along. When it is foggy, you can't see dash the lake. Beyond. Beyond mean इसके पार आप नहीं देख सकते. Beyond is the correct answer. No visitors are allowed beyond this point. Again beyond. इस point के आप आगे नहीं जा सकते. Beyond is the correct answer. The route continues dash the village up dash the hill. This is the question you will answer in the comment box. For rest of the sheet you can get from the description box. Here channel link is given to you. From the channel link you can get all the sheets. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Share, like, subscribe my channel Brainy the Bright.